Atubonlo Ajore, atiakunet na iwongonet, Captain Robert Kandole, ngesebale be, dumnente kes angodanetak, iare tenikany, nutorontere isirikale.
We usually liaise with them in handling such complaints. So on average, in a month, you can receive between 2 to 5. And this, of course, depending on the situation prevailing.
Yatakitinge sebe, iputasi kesi, agangata na atinga kinorkeda Abilibil na Apedorosio na Itunga.
Say our soldier moves to his home village and commits a violation of some human rights. Sometimes we do not know, and not until the person complaining has brought it to our attention. So that is the support we need from the community or the people. If they know any of our personnel that is in violation of them, should report it, because as an institution we do not condone some of these things that happen.
Itunga kesilipita aigang Ajore atinga kin kedi musagonolu ayaito Apedorosio no Itunga ko UN kesilipto sapuga ai Jesu no kwa musagonolu
can contribute to improving human rights records from where you sit as parliamentarian, making sure that necessary resources are allocated to institutions, national institutions that are dedicated to human rights, such as the Human Rights Commission, the Uganda Human Rights Commission, or the Equal Opportunities Commission.
Imsagonolu kesewa mitai ikeo na kotupiteta seo no kare lukumniare keda kaisrandio itutori bian ayaito Ajore lukolango kacholi kodesukta lo kitgum ayaito Apedorosio ko UN kesekotosi itungo yongitete.
Or during the electoral process, there's been a lot of human rights violation recognized by the government themselves, and they have taken measures to address some of them. So we believe that the way to go is to keep engaged with security operatives, to keep sensitizing them, to keep try and clear the bottlenecks.
Apedorosio no ipu no Abilibil Ajore no engichunitai kesa ibunga Itunga ai kamyo naronon katicha neta no kamera krakra no elo Jacinta Amanio esirkalet lo didi ngesi abalebe ebunido kwana tuturo na aiteten eswa maekech.
So I will ensure to put the received knowledge into practice.
Kosoda ngichane tilo Ajore atiakunet na ikanyet Georgia Mandi ngesi abu ike aloskinete na ka UPDF aike ona Apedorosio Itunga.
Yeah, remember those days the way we were doing things are not the way we are doing things now. We have registered very big achievements as far as human rights is concerned. We try to observe martyrs as a human being. There are those few individuals who can make errors here and there.
Ya pesera DC ko kitgum ngesi bala ebe erasi luka UPDF luetamtos no atupiti nwedol taswam.
Because these officers, they have a lot of things to do. They have a lot of work, and they're doing good work. But you'll find that they are always being thrown blame on them. By this training, I know it will enhance them to come out clearly and spell out where exactly the gap and the problem for other people who do not want to understand what exactly is supposed to be done with by them.
Ayato no Apedorosio no Itunga ko UN kese sabitilo potem ay tutori polisinda akira no penu no Apedorosio no Itunga. Delax Emi Alamu, Joseph Omagor, TV East, Kitgum.